Yeah, I actually was going, okay, this is ridiculous. You know, I didn't, but oh.
You turn faster when you lean.
I'd die before I'd die before I ever got as good as he's flying right now.
Well, it doesn't take long.
No, it doesn't take long.
I'm not that good with one of these things as far as, like you said, when you go downwind and you start picking up that speed, you get those things reversed. Well, that one's already flyable in this wind.
Yeah.
I have moved up a little bit. I mean, I moved into GPS drone, and I took it out here, and the trouble was I had it 560 yards out at that post heading out that way.
Yeah.
And at that point, I couldn't tell anything anyway.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't.
You gonna host indoor flying this year at the church?
I don't know.
Okay.
We're negotiating to sell everything, so we'll see. Even if we don't sell it all, we'll probably be remodeling it. So.
Okay. So at this point, we'll plan on no, no, which is fine. You know, just need to.
I don't know where we'll go though.
To sort out. Yeah, I checked with the Derby Rec Center. I flew last week ago Sunday at the Rec Center there at Oaklawn. If they get their nonprofit status sorted out, because they don't charge the Derby Flying Club anything to use that. It's like $300 a day if you want to use it otherwise.
Yeah.
But they're out there the third Sunday of every month. But technically you're supposed to be a club member. Me and 2 or 3 other guys go out there and fly, but if suddenly 60 guys are going to show up, 15, 20 guys are going to show up.
Yeah, might be a problem.
Yeah. And they've got a small gym. They got a nice foyer here, and that's typically what we set up. We just set up a course.
Yep.
Indoor course right there, and you can fly through the doors into the gym, zip around and come back.
Yeah.
You know. But yeah, that would just be an issue of if they can get their nonprofit status going. Might be able to work something out with that. Yeah, other than that, it's just finding somebody to let us in. Yeah, I don't know whether they were planning on charging for that. If they're charging, I'm sure as hell not going.
Yeah, the whole idea of now the club costs money, and they're going to start losing people.
Yeah.
Because it's a hobby. It's not a sport.
Not an enterprise.
Yeah, not an enterprise. So I was sad to see that they voted to.
And $10 is a little extreme. Well, there's stuff to buy. Well, then, sorry, I don't know what to tell you.
Take donations.
Are you backing up?
Yeah. I only get 40 minutes for lunch.
Oh. Can I do 2 things? Like lift that? And what does this weigh? Well, that's heavy.
Oh yeah. That thing altogether probably weighs 2 pounds, 3 pounds.
Yeah. I've never weighed it actually. I don't know.
Yeah, that's as heavy as my GPS drone.
Probably 400 grams.
I think. It feels like it's as heavy as my... Well, maybe not, but it's getting close.
That's why these batteries don't last.
Because I've got the big...
Yeah.
With the GPS, that's just about as heavy.
Yeah. I've got a GPS, I've got a GLONASS for this that I could put on it. Like if you lose your goggle, you can just flip a switch and it'll come back to where it took off and just hover overhead. That way you can drop your goggles and bring it down.
But our problem normally is it crashes out there in the field somewhere.
That's
you gotta go figure out where it's at.
Actually, I've got an idea. Tell me what you think of this. Because I've crashed out there. I think what happened is the connector on the battery, that particular battery, was kind of loose.
Okay.
Mid-flight, it just disconnected.
Yep.
And it went down out there probably about the extent that I flew out there earlier.
Okay.
You know, 300 or 400 yards.
Yep.
And I could not find it. I knew about where it was relative to the runway,
right?
Because I can use that as my marker.
Yep.
But how far out, I couldn't figure out.
Yeah.
Finally, I got out my phone because the GoPro was on it. In fact, I need to turn that off.